So welcome back. This episode we are going to go over the bulk pieces of meat, tenderloins, strip loins, rib roast, etc. We're going to cut our own steaks, and then we are going to vacuum seal and preserve the leftover pieces of meat for later on. So I have a tenderloin here. Otherwise, when you cut this, is known as filet mignon. So we're going to get right into it. I am going to cut up a few individual steaks. Lisa and I having dinner tonight, and so we're going to have this entire rest of the tenderloin left, and we're going to vacuum seal it for later. So I'm going to determine how thick a steak I want. That looks good right there. We just cut, slice. Got a little petite medallion. That looks about right. Just as easy as that. So there's two little petite medallions. Okay, so now that we have some pieces cut, we're gonna go in, we're gonna pull the ones that we're gonna eat tonight off to the side, and then we're gonna go ahead and vacuum seal the rest. The reason why you vacuum seal is it can pull the rest of the moisture out of the meat, and then you can put it in the freezer, and it'll store for up to a year, as long as your freezer is below 0 degrees. Or you can put it in a refrigerator between 35 and 40 degrees. They'll be good for up to 7 days. So that's why you go into vacuum sealing. So we'll move on that way. Let's get the vacuum sealer out and we'll get going. All right, so we got our food saver. There's multiple different bags you're gonna get with them. You can either get like a bulk bag or make your own size bag, or you can buy a pre-determined size that already has a lip that is glued on it. So this is real easy. You figure out how much you want. You're gonna need to save some. That's actually gonna go in, and the vacuum sealer is gonna burn and glue an edge to it. So make sure you get a little more than a little less. And that's gonna look about right for our tenderloin cuts. You just slide the piece across, pull it out, and then you're going to make sure your machine's on, slide one end in, and seal. All right, so it has released our bag. As you can tell, there's a hot seal right here, so will not open up. We grab your pieces of meat, in our case our filet. We set them in there. We'll set the opened end back in the machine, and most machines automatically do it. And there we are. Easy as that.